In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute yourself on Google Meet. If you've ever been in the middle of a meeting and scrambled to find how to unmute yourself, this guide will clarify how to do just that in just a few seconds. Whether you're using Google Meet for a work-related call, an academic meeting, or just catching up with friends and family, being able to unmute yourself so that you can effectively communicate is essential. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to navigate to the Google Meet session you're currently in. If you find yourself muted and want to contribute to the conversation, your first task is to locate the microphone button on your screen. This button is an icon of a microphone and is typically found at the bottom of the video call screen. Now, if you notice there is a red line across this icon, that indicates you are currently muted. It's important to note this line, as it serves as a visual cue letting you know your voice is not currently being picked up by the microphone. To unmute yourself, simply click the microphone icon. The action of clicking will remove the red line, allowing others in the call to hear you. If the red line disappears, it confirms that your microphone is now active. You can now speak freely and your words will be heard by the other participants in the call. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind that there may be circumstances when you can't hear others, even after unmuting yourself. Be sure to check your device settings to ensure that your microphone is properly configured and working. Additionally, background noise can sometimes become a problem if your environment is not quiet, so make sure to choose a spot with minimal interference when attending a call. Sometimes, you might also notice that your button is not clickable. In many cases, this is because the meeting organizer has muted you. In such scenarios, only the organizer can unmute you, so you'll need to reach out to them if you're having difficulties unmuting yourself. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts to toggle your mute/unmute options. On Windows, pressing Ctrl and D simultaneously toggles mute, and Mac users can achieve the same function by pressing Command and D together. This makes switching back and forth between mute and unmute even quicker and more efficient. Always remember to mute yourself again after speaking if you're in a noisy environment or if you're not speaking for an extended period to maintain a professional and distraction-free atmosphere. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to manage your audio effectively during Google Meet sessions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.